Today's spelling class for week 2. What we learned in the last lesson. Can we recall what we learned in the previous lesson? We reviewed the phonetic sounds and how to use them. We also reviewed all the sounds we studied in class 3. The topic of today's lesson is adding ing and ed to words. What do you think we are learning today? In today's lesson, we shall be learning how to form and spell words ending in ing or ed. Do you know that letters like ing and ed are called suffixes? Suffixes are letters added at the back of a root word to change the state or meaning. For example, dance, root word plus ing, dancing, is a continuous tense. Dance, root word plus ed, danced, is a past tense. Do you also know that words that have ing or ed ending are tenses of verbs? Look at this. Yearn plus ing, yearning, is a continuous tense. Yearn plus ed, yearned, is a past tense. Sleep plus ing, slept, is a continuous tense. Slip plus ed, slipped, is a past tense. Before we learn how to spell these words ending in ing or ed, we have to understand these rules. What we learned in the last lesson. Can we recall what we learned in the previous lesson? We reviewed the phonetic sounds and how to use them. We also reviewed all the sounds we studied in class 3. Basic rule 1. If the verb ends with an E, it will remove the E and add ing or ed. For example, chase, chasing, continuous tense. Chase, chased, past tense. Dive, diving, continuous tense. Dive, dived, past tense. Verb. Basic rule 2. If the last 3 letters of a word are consonants, followed by a vowel and another consonant, we double the final consonant before adding ed or ing. For example, stop. We double the p and we add ed. It becomes a past tense of a verb. Stop. We double the p and we add ing. It becomes stopping, the continuous tense of a verb stop. The last 3 letters of the word stop are consonants T, vowel O, and consonant. Basic rule 3. Remember, we do not double the final consonants when the verb ends in W, X, or Y. For example, fix, fixing, continuous tense. Fix, fixed, past tense. Enjoy, enjoying, continuous tense. Enjoy, enjoyed, the past tense. Sow, sowing, continuous tense. Sow, sowed, the past tense. Next. Before we learn how to spell these words ending in ing or ed, we have to understand these rules. Let's spell these words. Clapping, strapping, stroking, tuning, screwing, relaxing, behaving, cleaning, marrying, exploring, married, slipped, banged, filled, dumped, waved, spying, shaving, shopping, munched. What we learned in the last lesson. Can we recall what we learned in the previous lesson? We reviewed the phonetic sounds and how to use them. We also reviewed all the sounds